Just got home from Sephoria. Okay, I got home at 4 o'clock in the morning and I slept until 8:30. It's now 12:30 and I've unboxed. I haven't put anything away, but I've unboxed everything. Do you want to see? That's what I brought home. And I have all of this waiting for me. So we're gonna go through it together. Now, first of all, it is pajama day because I am exhausted. Skincare, no makeup, no hair. I did not have energy to wash my hair today, but I figured we'd do an unboxing and show you everything that came in while I was gone. This is from Ulta. Okay, so their Ulta 21 Days of Beauty included their Anastasia Brow Wiz. So I got 2 of the Brow Wiz. Fenty Cheeks in Dream Class. That's the purple. I like to think that I can get away with the purple blushes. From Urban Decay, and it is all 3 of their all-nighters. Glow Finish, Matte Finish, and Natural Finish. And I'll do a video on these. From BK Beauty, the concealer brush, and I'll do a video on this. Ulta Beauty, Body Bottlata. This is great. It's lighter weight, so if you don't like the other one because it's too heavy, this is gonna be right up your alley. It has that same amazing smell. Along with a Fui Pudding Pot. This is their Blurry and Breeze. TikTok Shop, Mix Soon. It's their Vitamin C 20 Serum and their Vitamin C Cream. So what did Dr. Dennis Gross tell me? I needed to up my vitamin C. This is gonna be perfect for that, and I'll do another video on these. April Skin, Vita Kojic Brightening Serum is the yellow one, and the green one is the Mugwort Centella Calming Serum. These are so heavy. Yeah, we'll open these and do reviews on both of them. This came in from a brand for me to do a review and a tryout on. Azuline Cica Hyaluronic PDRN Capsule Standard Ampule. That is a mouthful. I cannot wait to get this on my face. Glow Recipes sent me a big of their Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. I do really like this. And if you like watermelon smell, this is gonna be your best friend. I'll do another video on this. This arrived from the brand Cure. Intensive 2 times cream provides a calming and moist feeling to the skin. I'll try that and give you a review. Cure also sent me this, the Re-Aloe Phyto Green Ampule Mask for whitening and anti-wrinkle. There's 10 in here. And Medicube, do you want to see what Medicube sent me? Look at all of this. So we'll do videos on all of it separately, but a giant box of stuff from Medicube, including their PDRN Pink Collagen Gel Masks. I got 4 of those. And then their capsule creams, PDRN Pink Collagen Capsule Cream. And these are the creams, the gel with the little bobas inside. Deep Vita C Capsule Cream, Hyaluronic Moisturizing Capsule Cream, Kojic Acid Turmeric Vita Capsule Cream, and the TXA Niacinamide Capsule Cream. Bath & Body Works had their Candle Day. Candle Day is usually in December, but they had a really good one this time of year too, so I picked it up. This is not a video from December. Life is a Fairy Tale Shimmer. Now I got that for free because I had points and it's Bath & Body Works. Life is a Fairy Tale. Oh, that smells really good. And look at how pretty. Tiana. Now, I don't know if you know this or not, but we name all of our litters after Disney movies. So we've had a Tiana litter. Snow White, we've had a Snow White litter. Aurora, we have had an Aurora or Sleeping Beauty litter. Rapunzel, yes, we have had a Rapunzel litter. Belle, we have had a Belle litter. Mulan, we have not had a Mulan litter yet. Hummingbird Tea Cake, now this is not a Disney one, but I smelled it in store and it smelled good. Oh, and it still smells good. Pistachio Milk and Honey. That's one of my favorites. Another Ulta box. Tweezer Man, because I wanted a cuticle pusher and it's time to redo nails, so perfect timing. I wanted a good cuticle pusher. Too Faced Kissing Jelly Gloss. It's a juicy lip oil. It's really good. I really like it. Bag of Swag. Noise Lost and Found. Pattern Leave-In Conditioner. Skin 1004 Ampule. Olaplex number 7. Sunbloom Editor Cream in Serum. Dip Hue ACV is apple cider vinegar hair rinse. Bondi Boost HG hair growth. Heat protectant spray. Uda Rosewater Toner AHA PHA. It's most everything that was waiting for me whenever I got home.